Back at it, another episode of Transmission Mafia. We have a 2005 Chevy Silverado. Customer complaint, will not move. Just bought the truck a couple months ago. They said the transmission was rebuilt. So now you can see it's on the bench. We're gonna tear it down and hopefully the pump is just broken. He just wants to fix it. So we're gonna help the kid out. Let's get into it. Okay, hand looks clean. Oh man, that's on there. Okay, little metal right here, look at that. Let's get deeper. Who wants to go deeper? And then shove a good old screwdriver in there and go.
Or not.
It's tight. Holy shit. Oh man.
It's that broken, huh?
Yeah, she fucked up. Holy shit. Alright, let me get a longer one. Here we go, one shot. Okay. Is the pump broken? Is the pump broken? No? Woo! What'd I tell you? What did I tell you? Broke. 3 pieces. 4. Look at that. Clean. I wouldn't say clean, but it broke. Alright guys, so now I'm going to clean up everything and we'll be back for putting the new pump rotor on and getting it all assembled and putting it in the truck. Peace! Whoa! Hey guys, and we're back at it again. Safety first. Pump was destroyed. We're going to put a new pump rotor, 13 vein, hardened rings, new slide, new pump bushing. We got the boost valve, got the heavy duty springs, we got the heavy duty clip, snap ring, whatever you want to call that thing, thing. So, let's get to it. Pump bushing first. You don't want it to come up too much and the front seal won't go on, so that's perfect right there. Little baby spring, drop it first down in there. Don't forget that. Let's open it. Okay, nice and easy. Put that in there. I like to add a little Modelo. Oh, just a little drizz. I like to put some grease on this thing. Don't fall out when you go to flip it over. Alright. I like to hold it with 2 hands. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. The plastics. Black always faces you. I like to push the slide towards me. Slide those in. See, like that. It's good. Pin. Push it forward a little bit like that. We'll give it some tension. A little wiggle jiggle. It's in there. Alright, always wear protection. Got my rubbers on, so get back at it. My boy Justin made this. I'll put his description in the YouTube. You can go check him out. It's perfect for this. Look how easy it slides in. Simple. Ready? Watch this. Too easy. Sweet. 1 hardened ring. Right on the top. Get a little grease. I don't got much left. This only goes on one way. So alright, now we're putting the vanes in. New 13 rotor and vane kit, high performance. So these go in pretty easy. Okay. Ooh. That shit busting. Alright, now I'm just gonna put that to the side. Gonna knock out the filter inside the pump. Simple. Okay, got the new one. Little grease. Props in easy. Now we're gonna remove the boost valve, the stock one, and put the new one in. Let's see how hard this is gonna be. Come on, baby, don't do that to me. Ooh. Okay. Boost valve out. Little tool here. Take out the snap ring. It comes with a heavy duty one. It's hardened. So let's take it out. It's aluminum. Boost valve out. Let's get the valve out. Sometimes they're in there. Just gotta do a little shake and bake. There it is. Clean. Alright. Where's the air? Any debris that's in there? Okay. Now we're gonna put the boost valve back in. Perfect. Went in there, perfect. Nice hardened springs. That's in there. I always put a little grease on here and a lot of grease in here so the valve doesn't fall out when you're putting it in the pump. So I like to go sideways. Just waddle it in. You don't want to force it in. So a little waddle side to side. See there? It's in. Now you make sure this snap ring is in, because if not, right when you start it up and put it in gear, this will fly out and the snap ring will be in the pan. So you want to match up the boost valves and make sure they're the same length, because they make different sizes. And then I always like to take a pick and a screwdriver and hit it wide open so it catches the snap ring in the groove. Alright, we got everything built. So now we're going to stack it. I always like to line up, see these numbers right here? You line up those numbers and this little cross right here, it will line up perfect so you could put the bolts in. So, just like that. Squeeze it down a little bit. Grab the 5 pump bolts. Screw them in a little bit by hand. A little bit. Pump alignment tool. Make sure it's even on all sides, or when you go to put the pump in the case, it will be a hard time getting it in. So always do that. And if you want to be safe, put the pump bolts in the holes so you have more guidance with the holes. So there, tightening it up. There we go. Alright, we got the pump, the drum, reverse drum, outside for 2nd or 4th gear. Let's stack it up. Alright, find the hole. Find that lucky hole and listen for it. Ready? Oh yeah. Okay. Nice. That's the reverse drum. Good to go, man.